Alright guys, we're back at it again. This one's going to be a little bit more of a laid back video. It always seems like I'm recording my videos at dusk. It's such like a weird thing, but I guess if it works, it works. I'm going to be hitting up my favorite section of road just now. Just open up the maps here. This is a good opportunity to mount my phone. I sort of routed out a map here, and if you see me look down, unfortunately I broke my event clip mount, so I gotta kind of look down now until I got a new one. So we're just gonna take a little cruise down there and I'll show you guys the sights, and also I can actually give you guys a full in-depth review of these tires because I've been daily driving these tires, and I've already made a video about it, how it drives daily driving. Not too bad. It's a little bit more on the aggressive side, but it's not that bad. Let's see how it does on my favorite road here. Probably gonna have to let this guy out. Thought he was gonna go in. Wow, they're actually, when you expect them not to follow the rules, they actually follow the rules. It's always the opposite of what I think. It's like if I'm on the road and I think drivers are going to be completely stupid, they follow all the rules. And then when I think like they're going to be the smartest things, like, dude, it's funny. Like, I should literally just film all the time because I could literally just make a whole complication of the stupidity that I've seen on the roads as of lately. And it's just been getting from bad to worse, and I think this is with all areas. It doesn't matter what part of the country you're in, United States, Canada. I just feel like in general driving is getting a whole lot worse. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, we'll cut back to some of the more exciting parts. Actually, if there wasn't much traffic, I usually don't speed through here, but here I kind of get a good feel of the car. Fortunately, there was a lot of cops out, a little bit more than I expected to, and I'm not going to go too crazy. Really can't do much because there is traffic. So I went to this car meet last night, and I'm going to tell you something, guys. And I know, like, in the last video I roasted a car meet. This one was actually probably one of the worst car meets that I've been to. I don't know what it is, but like, ooh, an SC400. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I just find it really, really weird. This is my favorite section here, but obviously there's so much damn car, so we really can't really do much. I kid you not, people arrived after I did. I only spent maybe about an hour. And there's people who arrived after me and they left before me. That's how terrible it was. And usually I kind of like going to local car meets. I usually go with my friends or I go alone to see like what's poppin'. But yeah, this one was probably the worst meet. And like the cars weren't even that bad. Like there were some, there were some cars that I could have definitely roasted, but there just wasn't really anything of like substance. Like, I didn't even see any of my friends there. There was probably only one cool car. There was like an Evo 7. And I was just like, do I really want to just record like one car, showcasing one car? But it's all good. We're going to take a little stroll on these roads here. So I'm going to cut back to you guys when we're a little bit closer. I think we're going to switch off the air conditioning. Get a little extra power. Probably not really, but I'm a little bit low on gas, so when I'm done this whole ordeal, I'm going to fill up my gas tank. Oh, man, you got me excited. This guy actually rolled back. I wonder if it's actually manual. That's hilarious. This part is actually pretty nice. Thank goodness this escape is not going at a snail's pace. Oh, I don't know, I just like, for me, nature is so therapeutic to me. So therapeutic. Maybe a little second gear action for you guys. Just a wee bit of fun. Had a little bit of too much fun there. I got distracted and I went left when I was supposed to go right. This is the street we were supposed to turn on. There we go, nice. Fun is over. Swooping corners here. And the best part about this road, the twisty road, it is freshly repaved, which is literally the best thing ever. Couldn't have asked for a better road. It's a nice little escape on the east part of Toronto if you guys are located in the Toronto area. Pretty nice road. All right, those are some cops. I'm gonna get rid of this camera and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Actually scratch that, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a nice one pull onto the highway. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I'm gonna head home and get some gasolina for this. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.